Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Cook with Fefe. Let me tell you what I have in the pan. I have some tomatoes, a red bell pepper, and so I got one large red bell pepper. I've got about 6 Roma tomatoes cut up, and then I've got 2 large onions cut up. And I've put it in some oil, and I'm just sauteing it down because we're going to make a red sauce. Today on the menu, what we're going to do is we are going to make some red snapper in a seafood red sauce. So I'm just sauteing this down, and once it gets sauteed down real good, I'm going to put it in a blender. And this pan right here is getting hot. And I'm going to fry the red snapper. So that's all that we're doing. And the only seasoning I have in here is some garlic powder and the coarse steak seasoning. And the oil. That is it, y'all. I'm going to try to put in the description box a link to the recipe that I was trying to follow, but make it Fefe's way, where I got this idea from. See, here is the, y'all can see the white onion. And this is the red bell pepper. And then the other red is the tomatoes. It's all tomatoes. So we're just cooking that down. Okay. Now I'm going to prepare the snapper. So, hang tight. I'm going to pause the video and then I will be back. Okay guys, I put my first snapper in. And I've just scored it and put some coarse seasoning salt on it. And I'm going to get a nice crust on it. And then I'm going to finish it up in the oven. Okay? That is that. Finish breaking down my onions. So my tomatoes are pretty much already broken down, creating a gravy for me. Breaking down nicely. Pan. Alright guys, just me. Let me put this on the pause. Making a mess. And I'll be back to show you when right before I put the fish in the oven. Okay. Looks like my peppers and onions and everything sauteed down, so I'm going to take them out, blend it up, and then I'm going to put the seafood in this pan and get it started. I got my fishes going, and I'll come back after I put this in the blender. I've got the fish fried. I'll come back and show you me doing the seafood part. Okay? I'll be back. All right, guys. What I have in here is the clams, the mussels, and I'm going to put my shrimp in. And the colossal shrimp. You see those bad boys? Alright. So, take this out. Uh-oh. Kind of stuck to the bottom a little bit. Alright. Let's put this in the oven. Already preheated. So, I'm going to cook these, you guys. And let me show you the red sauce. This is the red sauce, you guys. I blended it up. And then once I get these cooked down a little bit more, actually, you know what? I can just go ahead and add it to it now. Because we're still waiting for it to bake. So I'll bring you back once this all comes together right before I plate it. Okay? Alright, you guys. So I've got the... Right now I've got the mussels, shrimp, and clams in the red sauce. We've got the red snapper in the oven finishing up. And once it finishes up, then we can plate, you guys. And it will be ready to chow down. You see how big that shrimp is? You see how big that bad boy is? Big, big, big. Alright, so I just want to stop in and give you guys an update. I'll be back. Alright guys, let me take you over here and look at the fish. I've finished baking it off. Yum, yum, yum. Now I'm getting ready to plate it up with our red sauce. And I'll show you what the final product looks like. I'll be back. Alright guys, I brought you over to see the final product. What y'all think? Uh-oh, I think my shadow's in there. Let me get a picture and then that'll be the thumbnail. Alright you guys, thank you.